Hi there. I'd like to share with you a feature that you can use to make sure that the license stops working once the expiry date has been reached. And it's going to be based on the following article, and my goal today is to show you the practical side and how you can set this up in your product. The most important part is to make sure that Cryptolens knows which licenses are time limited and which ones are not. And this you can do by clicking on Edit Feature Names. So essentially there are two approaches. Either you designate a particular feature to be the time limited feature, in this case it will be feature 3. And the second approach is to click this checkbox, treat all licenses as time limited, which will mean that all licenses in the product, independent of which features they have, will be treated as time limited. And this is very important because this will decide which licenses will be blocked and which ones will not. In this case, all licenses will be blocked if they have reached the expiry date. And to make sure that the license is blocked, we can click on the following checkbox, on the following checkbox, block expired licenses, and hit save. And the automatic expiry notifications is something you can turn on as well, which we'll cover in a future video, that will allow you to send your customers email whenever the license is about to expire and when it has expired. So now we've clicked save, and that's it. Now, whenever a license has reached the expiry date, it will automatically be blocked. And when a license is blocked, that means that it will no longer be able to it won't be able to activate. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions.